This air drum set is pretty cool. Let me show you what it comes with. It does come with an audio cord because you can hook this up to an additional speaker. This is all connected by Bluetooth. We do have a charging cord here. We've got a speaker. We've got two drumsticks, carbon fiber. And on the front, they do have the buttons to go ahead to turn them on. And what it's going to do too is connect via Bluetooth through all these devices. And you can see here we've got different colors showing up on the end of the drumsticks. And then these actually go on our feet. This is for the bass drum and the hi-hat. Drum, hi-hat, and then drumsticks themselves. Now when I'm doing things like this, I can actually feel it vibrating all up and through here. So let's go ahead and put this together and I'll show you how everything works. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and clip these to my shoes through the shoestrings. It does have a clip right here on the back side of these. Now that I have both of them connected to my feet, I'm ready to go. Got my drumsticks, I've got my speaker. Now for instance, I can hear a snare. Well, I move it over here, I hear something a little bit different. So I've got three different drums right here, snare. So that's pretty cool. And you can connect this to a headphone so you won't bother anybody and just play around with it. But it's a lot of fun. As I'm doing this, I can feel these just completely vibrate. It's almost like I'm actually using them. And of course, we got the lights up here at the top, which makes it pretty cool. But it's a lot of fun, and I hope you found this review helpful.